No, the guy. This is from Armageddon. Excuse me.
Oh.
We were
Yes.
going to be shown a preview.
You guys were shown the whole.
55 minutes of the movie, including the end, where Bruce Willis kills himself to save her. Screw you. No, just ruined the movie. We were told we'd be shown the first 55 minutes, which would have been fun.
Yeah.
Break up the drive-thru. Wow. White stop sign.
What are you gonna get?
Trying to decide if I wanted a Big Mac meal or not. I guess we got like 14-15 minutes to eat if you get any time. Huh?
I said, trying to figure out what I want.
Oh. McDonald's open for now?
Huh?
You said is McDonald's open?
No.
I would like a number 1 with a Coke and
A number 2 with a Coke.
a number 2 with a Coke. Yep. Raindrops.
Keep that out of my head. I must give you that orange leaf card. Which I think I can get rid of now since we just put it under here.
Yep, that's what she said. They don't do the card no more.
That's kind of cool.
Most people don't use cards anymore nowadays, I think, because it's just easier. People look up there.
Forever.
Yeah. I mean, what is it?